Good evening, everybody. As we are aware, an unfortunate incident took place on 7th of March around 11 a.m. when Gitanjali Devi, aged 32 years, she tried to commit suicide near platform number 5 of Tenali railway station by coming in front of Janmbhoomi Express. But loco pilot applied emergency brake. Still, she got injured on her head. Immediately, she was transferred to GGH Guntur in 108 ambulance. She was undergoing treatment till 11th morning 2 a.m. where she succumbed to the injuries. Based upon the intimation, Railway Police Station Tenali, they registered a case under crime number 28/24 under section 174 CRPC, unnatural death. Women Railway SI Saraswati garu ఆ కేస్ ఇంక్వెస్ట్ కంప్లీట్ చేశారు, ఇన్వెస్టిగేట్ చేశారు. సో ఇన్ దాట్ ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్ ఇట్ కేమ్ టు లైట్ దాట్ మన గీతాంజలి షీ పార్టిసిపేటెడ్ in one of the programs on 4th where she received a land patta. There she gave interview to few local media channels. Immediately it went viral on all the platforms. After getting viral, she was brutally trolled. The language she was told in doesn't have any space in today's civilized world. Due to that, she could not bear, she could not cope up with it. She was mentally very disturbed and took the extreme step. Not only her, even her family members, her husband, her in-laws, they were not able to face the world. So this came to light in the investigation of railways. Based upon that investigation from Railways Vijayawada, the case was transferred to the Tenali One Town Police Station. During this case, as per the inputs from the family members and the investigation and report of investigation officer of railways, we would be registering the case here in Tenali One Town and sections would be altered to the 306 APC, that is abetment to suicide. What Gitanjali went through is very disturbing. She was forced to commit suicide just because she posted a video out of excitement. As part of AP Police and AP government, we are committed to the safety of women not only in physical space but in cyberspace also. Now these days cyberspace is as vulnerable for women and children as it is in real physical world. Already we have got few digital footprints, trolls, and even the kind of language that is used, I cannot put in front of media also. That is the situation. We have identified certain social media handles. We are still going through it. We would be tracing the people, the original. Few handles seem like they are being operated by the original owners of the pages. Few handles, they seem to be outright fake. But we will not stop there. We will identify the IP logs, will trace them, and will make sure that these perpetrators are brought to the book. As part of Guntur Police and AP Police, I request all women and other people also, whenever they are going through cyberbullying or any harassment, our doors are always welcome. We will take necessary action. We will make sure that cases are brought to the logical conclusion. Please don't take such extreme step. Think about your family. Gitanjali, she is survived by two daughters, one aged 9 years, one aged 7 years. And it is very disturbing as a police officer to me also. So we will make sure that these perpetrators, whoever is there involved in this trolling, they are brought to the book. As investigation folds up and we get further clarity on involvement of the people, I will be issuing detailed press note and press meets regarding the issue. Thank you. మీకు ఇచ్చిన ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇప్పుడు వరకు జరిగిన ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్ ప్లస్ డెవలప్మెంట్స్ నేను చెప్తున్నాను. We have few things, but since it is a very sensitive case and we are still working on it, my teams are we are deployed for that. I cannot reveal the details. As further developments are there, I will keep on updating press regarding it, and I request media family also. Me Degra, if you have any information about this case, any developments about the case, you feel free to share with us. We are there for it. Thank you.